Hey guys, we have this original Xbox here for sale. Here's what it says on the screen. This Xbox does need some work. It is being sold as parts. It says, your Xbox requires service. Please call Xbox customer service. This Xbox, as you can see right here, this light is flashing green and red. The disc tray does come out. Disc tray does work. If you guys have any questions, please let us know. This is just for the Xbox. That's all. It is a parts unit. It does power up, but it does not work. As you can see, have a great day.